Okay guys, so welcome back to another video of today. So in this video I'm going to show you a very sweet and harmonic finger exercise. You can start learning the key of G. It's very more harmonic and complex. Okay, I just want you guys to practice it. It's one of the things I came up with, and I realized that you can equally figure that you can play it in your, maybe in your gig, okay, maybe like a kind of when you are tuning your guitar, okay, when you are making your guitar on a standard tuning, you can just improvise that. You can spice up that in an audience, in a group, or anywhere, just to make it just to test your guitar and see if your guitar is well tuned, okay. And it sounds very simple and also complex to the ear, to the hearing, okay. So it's very simple, and I would love all of you to just go ahead and learn it. So I'm going to break it down. I'm going to break what I just played so down for you guys to learn, okay. So you can just play it as well in your previous time, okay. But before then, if you know that you're coming across my video now, do wait to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss that anytime I upload a new video like this, okay. And if you want a one-on-one class with me, an online class, is the free class, the payable class, do wait to chat me on the number on the screen there. I'm going to respond to you as soon as possible. Okay, let's move straight into the breakdown now. All right, so I'm actually playing that in the key of G, key of G. So for many of you that are not really familiar with the key of G, it's a key of G. So always make sure you practice your scale horizontal all the time, like I likely say, okay. So what I played just was it's just a simple finger improvisation, stuff like this. So let me start from breaking the beginning down for you guys one after the other. So I start from the mi, va, la, do, mi. So you can take a book to write it down. I not really put all the solver notations on the screen, so make sure you get a book and write them down, okay. Mi, va, la, do, mi, va, mi, mo, re. Okay, mi, va, mi, mo, re, mi, va, mi, mo, re. Okay. So that's the first part. Then I'll play again. Second part is va, la, do, mi. That's kind of major 7 chord. Okay. So va, la, do, mi, so, va. Okay. Va, la, do, mi, so, va. And I play la, do, mi, la, do, mi, do, la, la, do, mi, lo, da. Okay, I move to the re. This is re, ti, so, first, second, third. Okay, to the do. Now this is do, la, va. Okay, so that you kind of play like a so chord, so, va. Okay, so I just play in a arpeggio way. Okay, so the first one is now this is T, so, mi, T, so, mi. Okay, now climb to the second string now. This is la va re. That's the kind of re chord. La va re so mi do mi do. So make sure you're putting it down so you don't forget. So I'm going to play it again. So mi do. Okay. So mi do ti la so mi. So mi do ti la so mi. Okay. So mi. Mi do ti la. Mi do ti la. Okay. Open note la. Okay. Then I play from the first string and I play la ti do mi, la ti do mi. I play again la ti do mi. Okay. Okay, that's it, very simple as that. So I just want you guys to practice that. It's gonna sound cool. That's kind of okay. Right, sounds good. So wherever you don't understand, just do it. Drop in the comment section. I'm going to reply you as soon as possible. All right, see you guys in the next video. Bye.